Hi, my name is Brett Dales. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Advantage Orthopedics. I grew up in Reno, Nevada. Moved there when I was 2. And my dad brought us from Ohio to start his orthopedic practice. Grew up, went to high school and University of Nevada as well. Went to medical school at the University of Nevada at Reno. After medical school, I went to Colorado and did my surgical internship, and then I went to San Francisco to complete my orthopedic residency. After San Francisco, I went to Albuquerque and did a year of fellowship training in total joint replacement. My special area interest in orthopedic surgery is joint replacement surgery of the hip and knee. I also performed surgeries of the shoulder and arthroscopic procedures of the knee. I primarily treat the older generation. They're the patients who typically require joint replacements, but there are younger patients who also have degenerative joint disease that could benefit from joint replacement. I'm married. I've been married for over 30 years. I now have 2 wonderful children in their late 20s. Some of my hobbies include golf, skiing. I play tennis and pickleball. I like to cycle. I go to the gym multiple times during the week, do a little bit of weightlifting and other activities.